Hey techs and contractors, I'm Brian Orr with HVAC School. Today we have something exciting to talk about. The White-Rodgers Universal Hot Surface Ignition Module. And guess what? We've got our hands on the new 50E470U-843 model. But before we dive in, remember to check out our website at hvacrschool.com/HSI module for more detailed information on this product. So at first glance, this isn't just your typical HSI module. It really is truly universal, and that means a lot more than you might think. This module can replace 325 plus part numbers for HSI modules. Whether you're working with 24 volts, 120 volts, or even 240 volt igniters, it's got you covered. Think about the range of different applications, from pool heaters, gas furnaces, and even cooking and laundry equipment. This controls and receives input from everything you would expect: inducer fan motors, pressure switches, igniters, and flame rods. Now let's talk tech for a moment. This is the third product boasting the White-Rodgers Connect app with NFC technology. This allows you to do configuration, diagnostics, all on your phone with just a few taps. The other great thing about this module is it displays real-time flame current. And for those who may not be familiar, flame microamps are pivotal to test how the flame rod and the board are working. So it's not just numbers, it's an essential diagnostic tool. Being able to measure this can save you a lot of time and guesswork in the field, and it prevents you having to connect your digital multimeter in series with the flame rod. And for all the hands-on techs out there who care mostly about the ease of install, the easy install harness is a game changer. Just transfer your wiring connections before removing the old module. It's that simple. But here's really the cherry on top. You can configure without power to preloaded OEM settings using the NFC near-field communication. Now that's what I call convenience. All right, now let's get this paired up with White-Rodgers Connect. This app makes everything straightforward. From setting up to diagnostics, it's all in the White-Rodgers mobile app. You see, effortless installation coupled with the app's intuitiveness makes this a must-have in your truck. Imagine the number of products it can replace, making it such a great truck stock item, reducing trips to the supply house, and allowing you to get your customer up and running more quickly. So techs and contractors, if you want to step up your game, the Universal Hot Surface Ignition Module by White-Rodgers is the way to go. Check it out, tell me what you think, and as always, keep learning, keep experimenting, and stay curious. And if you want to find out more, remember, go to hvacrschool.com/HSI module.
Thanks for watching. If you're willing, give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all of our future videos. And as a quick reminder, HVAC School isn't just a YouTube channel. Dive deeper with us at our main website, hvacrschool.com. Curious for more knowledge on the go? We've got you covered. Tune into the HVAC School podcast, available on all your favorite podcast apps. Also, don't miss out on our free mobile applications available for both iPhone and Android. They're packed with handy tools and calculators to make your job even easier. And while you're at it, join our thriving Facebook group. We're all about community, for techs, by techs.